Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post a video. So today's video is all about a small tutorial on how you define your eyebrows with some tips and tricks. So let's get started. So today I'll be using two products, and the first one is from the brand called Benefit, and it is their Car Brown Brow Pomade. This is how it looks, and it comes with a small angular brush. Okay, and this is priced at 2,390 rupees. It comes in 8 shades, and it has a smaller mini version as well, which is priced at 1,340. So if you want to give it a try, then you can buy the mini version and try it. So the one which I'll be using is in the shade 5, and the other trick what I will be telling you is, if you don't have an eyebrow pencil or a eyebrow pomade, then you can go with your eyeshadow palette which has deep brown colors in them. Okay, and the color should be matte, not glittery brown or something like that. It has to be pure matte eyeshadow. Okay, so I will be using two brushes here. This is the spoolie. It is from the brand Pro Art PE33. Okay, this is a spoolie to brush your eyebrows, and the other one is the angular brush. As you can see, the angular brush. This is from the same brand called Pro Art AB34. The number is AB34. You can just have a look. Okay, so I will be using these two brushes and then the pomade on my right side, and then I'll be using the eyeshadow on my left. As you can see, the look what I have created is incomplete without filling my eyebrows. So let's see how eyebrow can change your entire look. Okay, so I'll be starting off with the brow pomade and the brush. So let's take a little bit of product. Okay, I'll be using a mirror here for my convenience. First thing what you have to do is brush your eyebrow. Okay, and then we'll be starting off from between here. Okay, your eyebrow is here, and we'll start it off from here. I hope it's visible. Okay, we'll start from here, draw a line and end it here. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, as you can see, I have started from here and then drawn a line till here. Okay, so we'll just make it a little more prominent. Okay, now can you see I have done this? And now what we will do is, from this side, we'll be taking from where your eyebrow starts. From here we will be taking and then drawing the other line from downwards. Okay, so you can see now I have done. Now outlining is done, we have to fill in. Okay, so I will be filling it with the product what is there in the brush. Okay, and now when you're coming here, you have to, do upward strokes so that it looks more natural. Okay, and then take your spoolie and then brush the product overall. Can you see the difference of these two? We'll start off with the left one with the eyeshadow, any brown eyeshadow you have. So same way we need to draw the outer line. Okay, so first we'll start from here draw the line, what exact line you have, just follow that line. Okay, we'll just start from here, draw a line, and then draw from the bottom as well, and then fill in your brows. So we'll start with the eyeshadow. I hope, yeah, it's visible. And then fill in, and then go with your upward strokes. Okay, and then brush your product overall. Okay guys, let me tell you one thing. Today I have used two different products. That is, on the right I have used a cream product, which is the brow pomade, and on the left I have used a powder form of a product, which is an eyeshadow on the left eyebrow. Okay, so if you are looking for a day-to-day basis on a very natural eyebrows, then you can go for a powder form, and if you are looking for the defined look, then you can go for a creamier one, which is waterproof as well. You can go and do it with your eyebrow pencil as well. Okay, it's not compulsory that what I am using you will have to use the same. Okay, so if you have an eyebrow pencil, it will do the job. And as you can see how the look is being changed after, you know, defining the eyebrows. Okay, and you can see the difference, the left and the right one. So I hope this video would be helpful to you, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.